If you want to grow a lot of food like me, you start with microgreens and you feel like buying a large amount of clay pebbles is not cost effective, I also use play sand, which is really cheap. Now, if you're using my adapters so that you can grow them in a carefree, set it and forget it type of way, I found the best one to use is the refillable long neck. See, play sand's cheap, only about $5 for 50 pounds, but it tends to wick the water. So if you have it too shallow, everything will get waterlogged. You got to put a good bit of sand in there, either to the top of your container or as high as the refillable adapter. Now, one added benefit of using the sand is that if you're using small seeds, you get a nice even coverage. And a lot of them don't fall through like they do on the pebbles. This works great with small seeds like pak choi, lettuce, broccoli, arugula, and other ones like that. Pretty much after you get these set up, wait for them to sprout, about 2 to 4 days for most seeds, and then uncover them. Now let this go until the top layer of sand starts to dry out. You should have enough to take you through the entire grow, but you can always add a little more, like a quarter to half a bottle if needed. With these growing in sand, they're easy to transplant into bigger containers to grow out into mature plants. And another added benefit of the sand, it's easy to clean. The roots come out easy, and that can go in your compost. Let the sand dry in the sun for a few days. It's ready to reuse. The buy one, get one free sale is still going on. We sold loads of them last month, and we're trying our best to keep up with orders. All right, have fun. And keep on growing.